In today's video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube video to phone gallery. To do this you need to download simple application. Let's dive into the video. This is the video I need to download to my phone gallery. You can download this video to your YouTube app though this 3 buttons. But that's not what we are going to do here. To download the video to gallery you need to download YouTube Studio app. This is the app you need to download. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. This is the app you need to download. In the YouTube Studio, go to YouTube Studio app. Now you can see the video I need to download is here. Click on the 3 dots and click on Save to Device. Then these notifications will pop up. Now you can see in the notification panel the video is downloading. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.